Welcome back to some phonics and language. Today's whiteboard lesson is going to go over pages 159 and 156, which come off of Wednesday, May 6th's lesson plan worksheet, okay? So you are going to see on today's worksheet some contractions. Okay, now you have gone over contractions before, so this is just a review to kind of jog your memory on what you're going to be seeing, okay? So what is a contraction? A contraction is when you take more than one word and you put them together to try and shorten it, okay? So we're going to look at some common contractions, and I'm going to kind of quiz you on what you know, okay? So for example, I have the words do not here. Do not can become a contraction whenever we have to take some of the letters away, and we're going to add what's called an apostrophe. We've gone over apostrophes before, and we're going to make it into one word that is shorter, okay? So do not will become don't. So we have so you will see we have pushed them together, do, and then instead of writing out not, we've taken out the O in not and put an apostrophe there. So don't is for do not, okay? Let's look at this next one. I have the words you are, okay? So you are. If I say you are going to school, how might I say that if I was using a contraction? You're, very good, you're going to school. It means the same thing. So you are becomes your. Your, oops, sorry. Apostrophe R-E, your. Very good. We took out the A and we put an apostrophe. Your. Let's look at this last one. She will. She will go to the store. Instead of saying she will, we could say she'll. Very good. She'll go to the store for me. So we would have she apostrophe L-L. We would take out the W and the I here in will. The W and the I, and we have she'll. Very good. Now, I want you to get out your whiteboard, your marker, and your eraser because I'm going to give you a couple challenges here, okay? So I'm going to erase my board. Okay. I'm going to give you a contraction here. Your contraction is I'm. What two words make up the contraction I'm? Write them down. I am. Very good. I am. Awesome. Okay, what about the word won't? What two words make up the word won't? I want you to write them down. Will not. Very good. Will not. Check your work. Okay. I'm going to meet you back here in just a second, and I'm going to give you one more challenge. Okay, so I'm going to challenge you with this activity. I have a column of contractions, and then the next column are going to be the words that make up the contractions, but I have them mixed all out of order. When I read the contraction, I want you to look at the list of words that make up the contraction, and I want you to write them out, and then we're going to check, okay? So your first contraction is isn't. Isn't. So which one of these makes up the words that make the contraction isn't? Write them down. Okay, did you get is not? These two go together. Isn't stands for is not. Okay, erase your board. And if you need more time through any of this, pause the video. Your next contraction is weave. Weave. Now I want you to read through your list here and write out the words that make up the contraction weave. Pause it if you need a moment. Come back to check it when you're done. So did you answer weave stands for we have? Very good. These two are matched together because weave stands for we have. It's just a shorter way to write and say it. Okay, so your next contraction will be aisle. Aisle. Pause the video, select the words that you think make up the contraction aisle, and come back to check your work. So, what did you get? What two words make up the contraction aisle? I will. Very good. Aisle stands for I will. All right, so last one. I know that we can kind of look at it and see. So, he's stands for what? He is. Very good. Okay, so if y'all have some trouble with this, I want you to come back and review over these lessons and see if that can help you out. And then also remember, on the back of page 159, on page 160, you are going to be asked to write sentences using a contraction. Think about what a good sentence is going to have. A capital letter at the first word of the sentence. And what are you going to need at the end? Punctuation marks. Very good, guys. Y'all are going to do great. Can't wait to see you guys. Miss y'all. Bye.